Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file income tax returns for your business. First, you need to understand your business structure, whether it's a sole proprietorship, partnership, or corporation. This determines which tax forms you'll use. If you have employees or operate as a corporation, obtaining an employer identification number, or EIN, is crucial. Most importantly, maintain meticulous records of all your income and expenses throughout the entire year. This foundational step simplifies the entire filing process significantly. Accurate tracking of your business's financial activity is paramount. Make sure to categorize all sources of income, from product sales to service fees and any investment gains. Equally important is documenting every deductible expense, like office supplies, utility bills, and employee salaries. Using reliable accounting software or even simple spreadsheets can help you maintain precise records, ensuring you capture every detail for your tax return. Choosing the correct tax forms depends entirely on your business structure. If you're a sole proprietor, you'll generally use Schedule C, which is part of Form 1040, to report your business's profit or loss. Partnerships, on the other hand, file Form 1065. For S corporations, the appropriate form is 1120S, and C corporations use Form 1120. Knowing your structure guides you to the right paperwork. Before submitting your business tax return, a thorough review is absolutely essential. Double-check every entry for accuracy to prevent costly errors and potential audits. If your business finances are complex, or if you simply want peace of mind, consider consulting a qualified tax professional for a final review. Finally, ensure you submit your completed return, either electronically or by mail, well before the deadline, which is typically April 15th each year.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.